Hi friends, for Art Center today, we're going to need your Lorax pieces. So you're going to have his yellow mustache traced, and then his orange body parts. You'll also need a white piece of construction paper to make his eyes. We'll need scissors, a glue stick, and some crayons as well. I'm going to pause the video and take the time to cut out my pieces, so you can do the same. We're going to get all of our pieces cut out. Okay, friends, now that I have all of my pieces cut out, we're going to assemble our Lorax. So we're going to put him together. So I'm going to glue on his arms. Glue the Lorax's arms. Okay. And then I'm going to glue on his legs down here at the bottom. So I'm putting just enough glue and sticking it on. Then we have his big Lorax, his big yellow mustache. So I'm going to put a good bit of glue on the back of his mustache. And I'm going to press that down right here in the middle. And then I'm going to cut out 2 eyes. I'm going to make an oval for his eyes. So I'm going to cut out 2 oval eyes for our Lorax. All right. I think that's a pretty good size. I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. And I'm going to add little black half circles to his eyes and color that in. And on the other side as well. I'm going to put a little dot right here for his nose. I'm going to draw, the Lorax had those big eyebrows. So I'm drawing those big brown eyebrows. All right, friends. So here we have our Lorax. If you want, you can add a little red right here for his mouth too. I'm gonna put on that little bit of red for his tongue and his mouth. All right, boys and girls, I'll zoom all the way out so you can see it. So there we have our Lorax. I can't wait to see how yours turn out. I'll see you back here soon.